Hello friends, today we will see break and continue statement in a C programming. So first we will start with the break statement. Whenever break statement is encountered inside a loop, control will immediately come out of the loop and loop will be terminated. Now we will understand it with a flow diagram. Every time condition is checked, if it is true, code will run, and if it is false, it will come to the end. Same scenario with the break. Whenever break is encountered, control will come to the end part. Now we will understand it with an example. In this example, initial value of x is 10. Inside while loop, x value is printed, value of x is incremented by 10, and while loop will run until x value is less than 100. Whenever x value becomes greater than 50, break will be executed. So as shown in output, for 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, it will run correctly. But whenever x value becomes 60, if condition if x greater than 50 will become true, it will go inside the loop, break will be executed and control will immediately come out of the loop. So next 60, 70, 80, 90 will not be printed. Now we will see continue state. Difference between break and continue is that whenever continue statement is encountered, that particular current iteration is skipped and control will jump to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration. In flow diagram, again every time condition will check. If it is true, code will run. If it is false, it will come to the end. And if continue occurs, continue statement is encountered, control will go to the starting of the loop. Again check the condition. Same example, initial value of x is equal to 10. But here is a do while loop. Inside a loop printing the value of x, every time x value will increment by the 10 and condition is checked while x is less than equal to 100. If x value become equals to 50, continue statement is executed. So for 10, 20, 30 and 40, it will run correctly. Whenever x value becomes 50, first it will increment it by 10, so x value of x is 60 and continue is executed. So x is equal to 50 will not be printed. It will come out of the loop, and for 60, 70, 80 and 90 and 100 it will work. Thank you.